safe. Yeah. It's 5:06 a.m. and we're going snowboarding today, so I'm just now getting up and I'm getting all my stuff ready so we can get out of here. My brothers will be picking me up around 5:30 and my nephew's going too, and I think maybe someone else, I'm not sure, so I need to get all my stuff together. I'm borrowing the wife's socks because I don't have any socks. I get to wear my wife's socks today. Oh, they're burdened. I didn't even realize that. That's cool. Here we go. Here it starts. It's the high school kids. They're wandering around.
Which way to the lift?
Which way? I'm gonna shred those slopes. Which way are they? Good goggles on, keep your hands cold. I can't hands warm. Why are we coming back, McFly? Oh, you need gloves. That's why we came back.
Sure.
You sure this time? Oh, it's gonna be so great making fun of them all day long. So we have officially arrived to Snowbowl. It's a blistering 36 degrees. We're about to go get our lift tickets.
$15 gift card. This is your lift ticket.
Awesome.
Put the stuff in a separate pocket.
Fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go over here. So let's go outside.
Wait, should I actually put it on this one now or no?
What's that?
Should I actually put it on this zipper or
No,
no?
don't. I was being a dick.
It's not doing that.
It will just clip.
Alright, cool.
After these folks, you guys are good to go. Thank you.
It's windy. Holy cow, it's the wind is just whipping today. So it's good to be out. Ah! That's the wind pushing me down the mountain.
Oh, I like your suit.
Thank you.